Hey guys, it's me, I'm back on A and today I'm going to be shooting a video on how to make an easy paper toothless figure. It's more like a model for the How to Train Your Dragon Night Fury. So yeah, you can use white A4 if you want to make a light fury, but if you're okay with a Night Fury and you've got the materials for it, I recommend you try it with the black A4 to make the Night Fury. So it's been a couple of videos into the video recordings spree of this month, so I've only got this much left from the black A4, so I'm gonna have to make do with whatever I have right now. And I'm gonna try to start today's craft by doing the torso first. So I'm guessing this is a perfect shape for the torso. Now what I'm gonna do is roll it. I would appreciate if it was a bit bigger, but it's fine. Alright, so just roll it like that, just like that, and it's a bit like a cone, and that's what I'm going for. So the next step would be to remove the axis. And let's see, there's going to be our tiny little head right over there, and we're going to be making the tail right up for there. So something like this would be good. Right, that looks nice enough. Now that's the body. I'm gonna have head somewhere right there and the tail there. So let's work on, what should we do next? Let's do the head. Actually, let's draw out the layout for both the head and the wing. Now I'm guessing the head should be somewhat this big, with all the nitty-gritty designs and stuff. So yeah, I'll use that side. I'm gonna have this right there, and then the ears. So I'll cut that out later on. Now let's do the wings next. So one of the most fun part of this entire project would be the wings. So let's draw out the wings. It's pretty big. You don't want to make it look like a butterfly, so yeah, just make it big. Tiny, larger. Cut them out and see when it's done. So I cut out the layouts, and I've divided the entire build into 3 pieces, so you guys can easily make these things: the tail, the wings, and the head. Aside from that, we've got the torso, the spine, whatever this thing is, right? And then the broken tail. I didn't have a red A4, so I had to improvise, use some glitter paper. Alright, here's one more thing I forgot to cut out, that is the legs and the hands, which I'm going to show you how to do right now. So let's see how big our torso is. We've got that big torso. So I'm guessing legs should be that big. Now I'm just going to make the leg as some stubby pieces of a stubby strip of paper, something like that. Do the same for the arms. I think this one will be the hand and this one will be the leg. The leg's a bit smaller, I think, or maybe not. Actually, let's do the same size. There's one, and there's another one. So let's start by putting the legs together. So here's the tiny little hands. Alright, now the same for this part. Alright, so now up to this point it looks like a weird little dog that can stand. So let's change that. Let's put the head in there. Now I drew this out and I actually used some marker to color it up. So once you have this kind of head layout ready, you're just going to fold it inside like that and then cross it like this. If you look from the front, it will look like an actual head. So that's the plan. Now let's execute it. So we've got a head just like that, and now we can just stick it at the top or the bottom, whichever you like. I'm just going to throw it in there like this, right in the middle. Now up to this point it looks like a weird creature. So let's change that. Let's add the wings to the tail. So let's just stick this there. There's our dragon. Now let's curve the wings a little bit outwards. And let's add this final spine right over there. I actually don't know how to do this one. I think I should just stick it right there. Alright, so here's how it turned out, and I'm quite happy with it. It's got that spine right over there, if you can see it. The wings, the tails. Right, so obviously it can't fly. I wish I could make the wings a bit bigger so it could somewhat glide. I think it can glide a little bit though. And here's the tiny footsies down there. Can you see it? Alright, so that's about it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you got some inspiration to do some paper crafts. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment me down below what should I do next in my next video, and share my videos. Just a second, I'll quickly take a shot. Thank you, bye bye.